If you guys are interested on how I achieve this beautiful look, just stay tuned.
Jamendo.com.
Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. I went ahead and did my face and everything, blah blah blah. This thing keeps on going down, but these little accessories also came with the hair, but they came with 2 gold and 2 silver, and I wasn't finna mix match colors like that because they just don't look right to me. But other than that, it was cool. I also came with a crochet needle, so if you don't have one, it's okay. They're gonna hook you up with one. This was very easy to install. It took no time. I don't know how to braid my own hair down, so I went and got someone else to braid it down, and then I crocheted it. To crochet all of this, it took about an hour and a half. It shouldn't take you no longer than 2 hours, depending on how you plan on doing it. But yeah, honey, this is cute. I've received so many compliments on this hair. Of course, I'll have it linked down below if you would like to purchase it, because like I look like I'm going to, look at this, I look like I'm going to somebody's beach party or something, you know what I'm saying? Like this is perfect. Like I love the little hairs that's out on the side, to give it that, you know, goddess braid, like real goddess braids look. And I also took inspiration from a girl who had actually already reviewed this hair on Amazon, and I loved how she had it styled, and it didn't look like it weighed heavy. Like this hair is so lightweight. I don't have a lot. I didn't use all packs. It came with 8 packs, but I literally only used like 4 and a half. I didn't use all the packets, so I'm going to be using that hair again when I just need a quick style or whatever and I don't feel like spending no money. But yeah, I'm just keeping it a G. I'm keeping it real. But yes, I really do love this hair. It was very easy to install, so I suggest you go get it. I really do give this hair a 10 out of 10. Like I said, I received so many compliments on this hair, and I love it myself. I really did not think that I was gonna like it, but it surprised me, and I love it. And it looks like so natural. Like even though like you can, the crochet is in the front up here, it doesn't look bad. It looks good. Like even men have been complimenting me on this hair, not even just females. Like, oh, I love your hair. Like they were like, oh, you look good. Like I like how you, thank you. I know, but yeah, I've been receiving a lot of compliments, a lot. But don't forget to, oh my god. But anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how you guys feel about my videos. Stop playing. I love you guys so much. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified anytime that I post. Like, we're not playing over here. Stop playing. And subscribe to my TikTok. Like, I've been doing all right on TikTok. But subscribe to my TikTok. I have that link down below also. And follow me on Instagram. I'll have that in the description box as well. Like, stop playing. But I love you guys so much. Bye bye.